Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to 180 Digital. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website in only 2 minutes. So first of all, you need to log into your cPanel account, and here scroll down to software section, and here it can be hidden, so you have to unhide this and click on WordPress Manager by Software Tools. And here you have to click on install. After clicking in this page, you have to insert your domain protocol and you have to select one of your domains. I'm clicking my shop domain, and here the software version, I mean the WordPress software version is shown, so keep it as it is. Okay, then you have to type a site name, so I'm typing one of my site names, and you have to type a site address, I mean description, and here you have to type one of your username, so I am typing, and here you have to select a password, a strong password, and I'm telling you that the strong password means you have to type numerical numbers, and you have to type capital letters, you have to type small letters, and you have to type special characters. That means the combination of all the characters in your keyboard. So now we have to select email. I'm selecting one of my emails, and if you find this, so don't click these plugins because these all are in pro version, so we don't need this, and the English language is selected here. Okay, keep it as it is. So now click on install. Hooray, congratulations, the software was installed successfully, and here shows that the WordPress has been successfully installed at this link, and the administrative link is here. So if you want to visit your website directly, so click on this link, and if you want to log into your WordPress dashboard, you have to click the second link. Okay, after that you have to visit your site by clicking here. Okay, this tutorial is finished and I'm signing out. So the next tutorial will be how to install WordPress themes and plugins and how to customize themes. Till then, take care. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and support my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.